lots of effects here which are not set, so the same image will behave in different ways. You can change also the image, doesn't matter. Okay. Now everything here is programmable, which is very clear. So I enter just the Parallax editor and I'm able to change the text here. And we have the text changed. And it is already done. This way I open the entire editor and let me do something. I present myself. I allow myself to be here, and the Egyptian pyramids became my nice face here. Now we have also the language, which is
a welcome from Giza, the place where pharaohs decided to build the pyramids. A mysterious energy pulsing in all the area with world's famous resorts. 4,000 years ago, Egyptians started an incredible adventure.
Moira.
The Sphinx, the guardian of the pyramids. A welcome from Giza, the place where pharaohs decided to build the pyramids. A mysterious energy pulsing in all the area with world's famous resorts. 4,000 years ago, Egyptians started an incredible...
Okay. Now I exit. And you will see my nice face is already in the menu instead of the pyramids. Now, the moment that I click on myself, I open a submenu. Here it is to go up, here it is to go down. Now, I just can take some photos from, let me have a Google here, and let me see whatever image, and I take the Children's Day, I make a copy, I go back, and I use this one to paste. And I have a new element, which is the Children's Day, and I became the father of it, so I'm starting to build up a submenu. Now, the other way to take it, the photo you have seen, I can upload something. Let me get some images, something here. I'm in the wrong, let me go there. Okay, here, let me get some images. Here I have something, so just take it. And here we have it. Now, opening my submenu, I need to give a name to it. And I call it Claudio 1. Then I give it a title. My name is Claudio. Now, mein Name ist Claudio. There's also help in there. Ich wohne in Brasilien. Pronto. Okay, if I click on this image, I get the entire menu, and I can obviously select somebody speaking German, which is Mrs.
Anna.
And Brasilien in Florianopolis.
Mein Name ist Claudio. Ich wohne in Brasilien in Florianopolis.
Okay. Then we have different we can program the effects, just let them run for the main screen as well as for the icons. And here's another one. Now, icons we have divided in principal icons we have seen before. What will happen on speak action, what will happen on over action, what will happen on pink, entering the screen, full display, exit the screen, finger, we will see this in detail, and here I have some other things which I can use to define nice things about myself or the contacts. There can be different contacts for every image. This is a very interesting thing here. People are not used to give the right number, so I will just enter my number here, 49 for Germany, and then I have 0 to 11, and then I have, which is Düsseldorf, and it is there. I can edit it like this too, 49, 0 to 11, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and it is done. But I can also delete everything, and I get my interface another time, 49. I was in the phone, I went already outside. Okay, so I can force people to do that. And as I'm not, I do not know very well, I have these hints here telling me what I can do. Now, these hints, I can set them to, I don't want hints. Where was it? Image dimension, buffer images, languages, versions. Oh, I have forgotten to place the hints here. I can click them away, but we have image compression, which is at a 70 degree in this moment. We have image dimensions. I'm uploading in this way. I can stop the image animation, so I put it on off and nothing will be. Typewriter speed is 200 words per minute. The buffer image is a thing we shall see later. Language version and audio play mode. It can be on, it can be off, or it can be run through. So autoplay. Autoplay option means that the user has first to give a start, because it is forbidden to start up a website with language. Now here we have our speaker. We can set the rate and we can set the pitch for that speaker, which is the Anna. Okay. So besides that, we have everything inside here. I entered something about contact, 49, 49, etc., which are things which can be activated. Okay, and allow me in this way to use the lower menu. No, I don't get it here. The lower menu means I can contact you about these numbers. Okay, if I programmed a WhatsApp button with a number, I will reach you by WhatsApp, or you will reach me. Turning back, here we have it. Let me see. Dimensions. Here we have automatically defined the dimensions, which is working. The image size is about 217. in upload. Now what I can do is I can just take this image and shoot it outside, and I get it in another tab, and I have it here, but I can also look on it, and I have my 236 kilobytes of this image. I can compress it a little bit more, but for this show I think it is enough that we can work this way. Okay, now the interesting part is here we have it. I can do the following also here. If I exit here from the menu, I can save it too. So I can take the entire data ball and save it, and I have a new data ball which is by 2.5 megabytes, which is exactly what I have done. My nice face here, my submenu, and the submenu for the children's, and we have everything here about what I have done, and it is, you have seen my changes are already here. It is important to consider that you have to save your work, but you do not need to save it in the moment that you are here, because most of the stuff is saved from the information basis. Now the photos can be saved too during work, so you have just to set up here in the system buffer images and set it to yes, that we are going to buffering images, so they are saved even if you reload. Because if I change now my photo here, with another photo of mine, what will happen is that I have it here, but if I reload that stuff, the other photo will appear because it has not been saved nor restored. I hope you have understood something. It was a lot of work to do it, but it is quite simple to program very fast this machinery. Thank you for your attention.